In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see who's making edits in your Google Docs. This is useful when you are working on shared document with a team and want to know exactly who changed what. So as you can see there is another guy with me in this document. And if he's going to type something, I should see that immediately. So as you can see, hello world. So you need to have opened the document which you are sharing, and then you can see live changes from the persons you are sharing the document with. And if you don't know how to share this document with someone, you can click on this share icon. And in this field, you are just going to type the email of the person, and then you can choose the role. So if they have editor role, they can edit the document. And if you want to see the full history of the edits, you want to click on this clock icon over here. Then from here, click on See Full Version History. You can see that there was this letters S added, this was removed. If you want to know who exactly did those changes, you just have to hover your mouse on, let's say, this hello world, and you can see it's this guy. There's his name as well over here. Or another way to see that is if you click on this arrow back, you can see that changes by, and there's this person who did the changes, okay? So this is how you can monitor or see who's making edits in your Google Docs document. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.